Hey guys! Nowadays, it's getting a lot easier to create a digital event. You can find a variety of platforms for online events on the web. But let's say you want to host your own event on your own website and sell tickets for it. You guessed it! In this episode, I'll show you how to make money from a digital event. A great event needs a great deal of promotion, so make sure you watch our video How to Promote an Online Event. Okay, our first step is to make it easy for our viewers to buy a ticket. For this, I'm going to use StreamingVideoProvider, a great all-in-one platform where you can host or stream videos or live events and add many useful options to them. So go to StreamingVideoProvider.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one in less than 2 minutes. From here, you can create your digital event. Let's say you're doing a live stream 10 days from now. Here you can select the date and time when your event will begin. Make sure you add a nice poster with useful and attractive information. I will leave a link with a step-by-step guide on how to set your live stream in the description. Now we go to the core of our tutorial, how to add the paywall and tickets. Go to Settings and then Paywall and Tickets. Create a new paywall and then add the ticket. Let's say you want to charge $20 for your digital event. So here you fill in the price, set the currency, enable this if you want your viewers to watch only this video with the purchase of the ticket, and from here you can even change the color of your ticket. Click Save and now your viewers can start buying tickets. Oh, and one last thing. Go to Payment Gateway and follow the instructions to configure your payment options in order to receive payments from your clients. Now go back to your stream and click on the Monetize tab. Choose the paywall we just created. Here is another drop-down menu where you can configure your confirmation email. You can click on the 3 dots and add a new confirmation email or use an existing one. Once you have everything set, click OK. Copy the embed code and paste it on your website. And that's it. Now it's time to promote your digital event and watch the cash flowing to your account. Making money from digital events can be so easy when you use the right tools. So make sure you get yourself familiar with the Streaming Video Provider platform and make the best out of it. That was all for today, guys. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.